it. And we are spiritual.
It's like, we are this, we are that.
Yeah, I'm trying to prove if I'm saying something, I am. It's just, yeah. Ma'am, please take over.
So I think this podcast is about the fact of, being generalized is something that we're talking about, and the fact of the femininity going in a very wrong way and putting everyone into one box is something that we are a little, not comfortable with, because we exist out of your boundaries and we exist out of your limited thoughts is something that we wanted to put forward. Because we think like we are somewhere in between both being modern and also old school girls. So I think the fact that we want to make sure that it reaches to people rightly and it at the right context is that we are talking from our own experiences, and this is something that needs to be put forward. So Nimisha's hotness is taking over the podcast, so let's give her some credit.
We just turned off the fan, so
Same. And I think the point comes from the fact that although we are in such a modern, very fast forward civilization, we are still rooted to our, values and things. Like, for example, taking her, like, I really love the way she carries her style, and I really love the fact that she's very traditional, and sometimes I even take few. This is something that make me connected to her. Is something like I do not know, like, the way she embraces. I recently saw her post on going to beach on a sari, and that vintage post struck me like anything. It gave me such a, the old movie vibes, and I really love the, that she owns herself and carries herself the way she is. Like, you're not compelled to be modern in the way you dress, but your thought process is very modern. So this duality is something that we are addressing today, and this is something that I really appreciate and I really love about you.
oh my god, this is so sweet.
Yes.
And I think which brings me to talk about female friendships and the place it holds in my life, right? So as we were growing up, we have seen women competing with one another, right? Like, I have grown up in a all-girls school for most of my life, and I've seen that happening. But as I grew up, I saw the beauty of female friendships, and the way a female understands a female is just so pure. You can open up to themselves like a book, and they will take it. So that emotional sensitivity and that level of understanding, definitely some guys do have, but always, with guys you have that constant fear that if you open up to this extent, they may take it otherwise, that just because you're opening up, you feel more attached or attracted.
I do agree, because if we are the same with both of our girls and boyfriends, somehow, even though we talk the same context, it reaches in a different way. And for the fact that there has to be a limit, and we cannot be completely open to the other person, because our humanity or our race is something that is considered as a sign for something else, is something we are not okay with.
I was just discussing that the beauty of this podcast is
It's okay, you don't have to that.
we are sitting in our bed. I did it again. I shouldn't have said it, but yeah.
Yeah.
It's a weekday, guys, and I think I'm done with life. Brahmand, we are everything, so you better listen to me. Whatever I say, validate, say plus one, Sudeepti, plus one, Nimisha.
Yeah, so the fact that you cannot put us,
अरे let them put भाड़ में जाओ तुम.
Okay, I think we've come to the end of this podcast, and all thanks to Nimisha and for her mood swings, and we validate
I
her
like how nicely Sudeepti was maintaining the calm composure, and I was a pataka every 2 seconds.
Yes,
So
that's the magic of
that's the beauty of Desi podcast. ऐसे गर्मी में पंखा बंद करके, sorry but I just can't stop myself from ranting in Hindi. So you know ऑडियो खराब नहीं आए, ड्रीम कैचर आ जाए, ड्रीम कैच हो नहीं रहे हैं, ठीक है, सपने नींद में उड़ जा रहे हैं, नींद भी उड़ जा रही है, ठीक है, कल नौकरी करना है, फिर लॉन्ग वीकेंड आना है तो घूमने जाना है, जिंदगी जीना है, उम्र निकलती जा रही है, बस सब लोग सुधर जाओ संसार में, बिकॉज संसार अच्छा है. How much of it did you understand?
Everything.
Okay,
I've understood
perfect.
everything.
Now end it on a on a Hindi note,
Okay.
on a melody. Normalize such conversations and hold such conversations. Gender सब एक तरफ, बातें करो क्योंकि people still can't read emotions and stuff. So stop cooking those conversations in your head and find some legit human being and talk to them. And I'm a nice person. Sorry, I came out as a very.
So we love you the way you are. So you will know her more if you keep following her on Instagram. And what's your? Give them your.
@Nogyan please and @F. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.
Bye,
And
take care.
Please flood the comment section.
Yeah.